What is your name? My name is Leonardo. What's her name? Her name is Sophia. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm great. How are you? I'm okay. Do you have a car? Yes, I do have a car. Do you like cookies? I do. Where are you from? I'm from Italy. Where are you from? I'm from USA. Where is she from? She is from Brazil. How old is she? She is 25 years old. How old are you? I'm 30. How old is that tree? That tree is 50 years old. What do you do? I'm a student. What does he do? He is a teacher. What does she do? She is a doctor. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Is he sad? Yes, he is sad. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Are you hungry? I just ate. Is it sunny? Yes, it is. Is it raining? Yes, it is. Is it cold outside? Yes, it is. It's very cold. Yes, it is. No, it's not. It's warm. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I love it. Do you like to read? Yes, I do. Do you like broccoli? No, I don't. Do you like to read? Yes, I do. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you fly? No, I can't. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Can you play the guitar? No, I can't. I can play the piano. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 10:30. What time is it? It's noon. What is this? This is a book. What is that? That is a pen. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is her favorite color? Her favorite color is red. What color does he like? He likes green. What day is it today? Today is Friday. What month is it? It's April. When is your birthday? The 25th of this month. Where is the bathroom? It's over there. Where is the library? It's next to the park. Where is the train station? It's down the street. Where do you live? I live in New York. Where does she live? She lives in a small town. Where do they live? They live in a house by the beach. Where are my keys? They are on the table. Where is my phone? I think it's in your bag. Where are my shoes? They are by the door. Who is that girl? That girl is my friend Sarah. Who is that boy? That boy is my brother. Who is your teacher? My teacher is Mr. Smith. Who is calling? It's my mom who is calling. Who is at the door? It's me, Sarah. Why are you happy? Because it's my birthday. Why are you learning English? Because I want to travel. Why are you late? Because the bus was late. Why are you laughing? Because the movie is funny. What is your name? My name is Alina. How are you today? I'm good, thanks. Where are you from? I'm from Spain. Do you like music? Yes, I do. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. Can you cook? I cook on weekends. Do you like movies? I do. What time is it? It's 4:30. Where is your school? It's in the city center. Why are you smiling? Because I always smile. How old are you? I'm 20. What do you do? I'm a student. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am. I need some water. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Lucy. What is this? This is a cup of coffee. Is this your bag? Yes, it is. Are those glasses yours? No, they're not mine. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. What is its name? His name is Buddy. Is your dog friendly? Yes, he is. Where is he now? He is in the garden. Why is he barking? Because he sees a cat who is with him. My sister is with him. What would you like? I'd like a coffee, please. Anything else? No, thank you. Is that for here or to go? For here, please. How much is it? It's $3. Can I pay with a card? Yes, of course. How do you do? Great. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Do you understand English? Yes. Are you happy? Yes, I am. How do you like this lesson? I like it very much. Thank you. See you next time.